This is an overview of the process that Triad users will use to launch GradeQuick Web after our migration from the desktop version of GradeQuick. Please remember that the GradeQuick Web plugin must be installed on the computer before you are able to launch the GradeQuick program in a web browser. If you have not already done so, please review Step 1 and complete the plugin installation. After our conversion, the desktop icon for GradeQuick will be disabled, and users will launch GradeQuick through a web browser at edline.net. In this example, I'm going to use Internet Explorer. Users may also choose Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome as their preferred browser. As I said, I'm going to use Internet Explorer, and we'll launch the browser application and enter the URL www.edline.net. For most users, this will become a daily routine, so you may choose to make this a favorite by choosing Favorites, clicking Add to Favorites, and adding it to your Favorites menu. Later selecting it to launch edline.net. Because this will become so routine, a desktop icon may be added to your desktop by choosing Favorite, dragging it to the desktop, and launching it from there. So at that point, you will have an icon that you can launch directly into edline.net. At this login page, you will enter your Edline account. Once you've entered your Edline account, users will access GQ Web through the Tools menu in the upper left-hand corner. You'll see a GQ Web icon. Underneath that will be an item labeled 1112 Gradebooks. We will click on that to launch the GradeQuick application. At that point, you may receive, depending on the type of browser that you're using, a security warning. It may not just look like this one in Internet Explorer. You should choose Allow at this point. And then the GradeQuick Web application is launched. The web version of GradeQuick looks very similar to the desktop version. The most notable change for users is that GradeQuick will actually launch all of the gradebooks that are active in your program. So we'll take a look at this real quick. And you could see for this particular teacher, I've launched GradeQuick Web and I have a science gradebook already open and presented to me. There is no longer an option to choose File, Open, and navigate to other gradebooks. Now you use the Window menu and you could jump between each one of the active gradebooks found within your folder. So if I want to switch to the math gradebook in this example, I simply click. Notice there's an icon for science. It's the active gradebook. I click on math. The gradebook switches, the screen switches, and we have math gradebook, and under window, the little blue icons indicating that math is now active. I can jump from each gradebook in this manner. I no longer have to use the File Open menu to launch each one of these gradebooks. Everything else about GradeQuick remains the same. Attendance is launched for each one of the gradebooks, and we can navigate and choose the attendance status of each student. We go to File and we send to the office in the same manner that we did with the desktop version of GradeQuick. That is also true for grades. We will go to File and send grades to the office in the exact same manner. The majority of all the functions our pilot users have found to remain in the web version that we've seen, that we've become accustomed to in our desktop version. Unlike many of the other web-based applications, GradeQuick Web has been able to maintain many of the useful right-click features from the desktop version. Users will also enjoy the fact that gradebook changes are automatically stored in the web version of GradeQuick. You no longer have to use a save or a save as command from the file menu. GradeQuick automatically saves every few minutes when you move from one class to another using the Windows menu. and when you exit the Gradequick program. You will no longer be presented with a prompt requesting for you to save a file as you X out or close a gradebook. Our move to Gradequick Web enables anytime, anywhere access to your online gradebooks. To assist your efforts in using Gradequick on any computer, Edline maintains a useful link to the Gradequick Web plugin under the Tools menu. Remember that the Gradequick Web plugin must be installed on the computer before you're able to launch the Gradequick program in a web browser and access your gradebooks. Your first step on your home computer or any remote computer is to install this plugin from the GQ Web menu under the Tools menu.